Let's talk about SMART goals. Will Metscher, Southwestern Consulting, sales performance and leadership coach. Everyone has a little bit of a different relationship around the idea of setting goals in business and school and life in general. A lot of people are turned off by goals, or they don't achieve what they're working toward because they don't follow SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. So let's break it down with a very simple example. Say you want to lose weight. That's a good start, but is it specific? How much weight do you want to lose? Well, let's say it's 10 pounds. Can you measure your goal? In other words, when you get to the end, can you see if you achieved it or not? If you want to lose 10 pounds, that's a measurable goal. It helps give you confidence because it helps you see if it's clearly progressing or not. Is it attainable? 10 pounds? Yeah, it's attainable. It's achievable. So we can go on to the next one. Is it relevant? Is your goal important to you, or is it something that you just thought would be a good idea, or somebody told you that it might be a good idea? And then the last one, the most important one, is it time-based? Well, certainly our example isn't, because we don't have an end date. So let's switch it up. I want to lose 10 pounds by December 1st. Now you've created a realistic and achievable goal. Give it a go.